Today I'm with Chris right
there.
here, and we are testing the Phantom 4 Pro Obsidian
Edition
versus the Mavic Pro 2. We're just going to try out all the different features and, see the differences, see, which one comes out on top.
The Phantom 4 Pro is going to win, but
Phantom 4 Pro might win, but who can launch it faster? From being in the bag to launching it in the sky quicker. Who will win?
Good luck.
So we're trying to test out the active track. Is it tracking me? Seems like it is. Phantom 4 keeps losing me. Final thoughts on Mavic Pro 2 versus Phantom 4 Pro. Okay, so the Phantom 4 Pro still got slightly better image quality. I think it's slightly better than the Mavic 2. The bright screen that you can get with the Phantom 4 controller is amazing in bright sunlight. You can see clearly, much better than the iPhone or an iPad. There's no HDR photo, there's no hyperlapse. Rotors are in some of the footage. The batteries are larger, so they take a bit longer to charge. The drone itself is fairly large. It doesn't fold down. It comes with a large case. And it's the same price as the Mavic Pro 2. So the Mavic Pro 2, it's small, it's lightweight, it comes with a small case. The image quality is excellent. It's got HDR photo, it's got hyperlapse. There are no rotors in the Mavic footage. Again, it's the same price as the Phantom 4 Pro. So the overall winner is Mavic Pro 2.